This video is the continuation of previous video where we have used dump function. Right now we are about to use load function. Load function simply means reading from a binary file. So here I have to discuss many new important things. All of you pay attention. First thing is we have to understand the syntax. And even before syntax we need to understand that the file we are going to read must exist, because if the file is not existing it may raise exception. Exception here means end of file error, a runtime error. During running your program you won't be able to see the output, even you will get the errors. So to avoid errors we will be doing one of the two important things, two methods. But before that let's see the syntax. Syntax here suggests that we should take one object where we are going to get the reading data, the data we are going to read from binary file. We will be storing that data in an object, and that object can be a dictionary, list, tuple, etc. And after this we will be doing one of two methods, as one is try and except, other is using with statement. In this code I will be discussing try and except, and before that I like to remind you that we have done already one creation file creation with the name stud.dat by using dump function, where we wrote two dictionaries in stud.dat by using stu file as an object. So let's use the same file we have created in our previous program. Here I will be writing the code in front of you line by line. You can understand in what way we are going to do. So import pickle I won't be doing again. I have kept my previous program as well so that you can see the two dictionaries we have written in the file. We are trying to use those two dictionaries only in records and object, and we are going to do on our Python IDLE screen. So import pickle we are not doing again. In this way you will come to know whether we require two import statements or one is enough, one is sufficient. Now as we have done dictionaries, so we will be creating one dictionary, empty dictionary, where we are going to store our data. So our dictionary name here is res equals to this resultant dictionary we are going to create. Fine. Then we are going to take one object. So we are going to write here obj or otherwise stu file 1. Stu file 1 we have taken. We are opening our file, same name stud.dat. This time tell me class which mode we needed here. RB, reading from binary file. So and now try is the keyword for handling exceptions. Then while loop we have done in flow of control class 11th. True ka T capital because this is a boolean. Then colon. This is a correct syntax. While true, this means it will become false when the end of file reach. Fine. तब तक चलो जब तक फाइल में records, and this means this. Now we have to read from file, but before that we will be using that dictionary name we have already done, empty dictionary name. Res equals to here pickle dot load Fine. Pickle dot load. What was the name of our file handle? Stu file 1. Fine. स्टोर डॉट डेट में से फाइल को रीड करो और उसको रेस में एक डिक्शनरी एम्प्टी डिक्शनरी में स्टोर करो. नाउ वी विल बी प्रिंटिंग दैट. क्या लिया था हमने? रेस. सो because we have done 2 dictionaries, more than 1 dictionary, and we can have more records, so we will be doing that particular line in a loop so that it will be reading all the records one by one and storing in the object, that is here res here dictionary, empty dictionary name, and we are printing the records here. Now we have to end our try. So except and name of except we will be doing here. Fine, because this is a part of try. Please make sure you are doing the right indentation. EOF error. See the spellings: capital E, capital O, capital F, capital E, R in small. Try to do in small. Let's see, it is giving you correct? No. So spellings are important because Python is case sensitive language. EOF error. Fine, colon. Now we have to close our file. Why we have taken this except EOF error? Because this is suggesting that if the end of file has reached, it will close the file. So we will be writing here stu file नहीं आएगा यहाँ पर हमारे पास, which stu file 1 dot close. Stu file we have taken for down. So let's see, रन करेंगे हम इसको. Let's see if any. So this is the output. If you remember, when we tried to create the file in the binary mode, we were not able to see the contents in our program. Otherwise, if the contents will appear, you won't be able to read because these things are not in a readable, human readable form. So, but when you are trying to read the same file and trying to display all the contents from the binary file, you are able to do in your own readable form, yani ki human readable form, the ones which we can read easily. So see this. This one. Here also we can do. Because we have done 2 records, it is showing 2 records. So this is the first method, try except. We will be doing the other method as well. So I will be stopping here for 30 seconds.